Hi everyone, welcome to my channel AI Coding Cats. Today we'll discuss about declaring a variables in PLSQL. Here we will discuss how to declare a variable, how to initialize a variable, how to assign the value to that particular variable and how to call the variable to the front end. We'll discuss one by one in this class. Okay guys, let's jump into the coding section. So first we need to set the server output on this. We are opening to return to the front end application. Whatever the result we are getting, that will be shown here. If you didn't initialize this server output on, the PLSQL code block is executed, but the result will not be shown in this section. So now, so you need to understand the PLSQL blocks. So mainly there are three blocks in PLSQL coding. First one is declare, begin and end section. So in this declare section, we will write the variables. Means we will declare the variables here. And then in the begin section, we will initialize the variables, and the main code we will write in the begin section. This is called anonymous block, or whatever the procedures, functions, packages, triggers, etc., whatever you are writing, the main code will be written in this begin section. So after that, if you want to print anything, you can give the print options like dbms output put underscore line, options like that, if you want to see to any front end. Otherwise we will just write the anonymous black and we will end this block. So this is the main 3 points. First you need to understand declare, begin and end. So now let us see how to declare a variable in PLSQL. First you need to start with declare, and next this one f underscore var means first variable I am declaring. You can name it anything, even if you want, you can name the variable on your name also, but you need to maintain some standard procedures. So first you can call the variables like this: first variable, second variable, third variable and fourth variable. As I said, you can give the variable name as you wish. Next, followed by what is that character type, whether it is a character, whether it is a number, means it's a string or it's a number or it's a date, boolean, whatever it may be. You need to specify it here. For example, here first variable I am declaring as a number, and this 10 belongs to the length of that number. For example, 1 to 10 characters I can initialize in I can declare to here. If I write 11th character means or 11th number means, it will throw the error because I have initialized only 10 numbers only here. Up to 10 it will handle. So first variable is number and the length is 10. Second variable is varchar2, means this is string variable, means you can add characters here up to 20 length. The third variable is also a varchar2, up to 20 length we can give, and the fourth variable is a number. So what are these? For example, the first variable you can consider as a employee number. The second variable you can consider it as an employee name. The third variable is department. Fourth variable is salary. Now, as I said here first in this section you are declaring the variables. Okay, so this is the variable and this is the string or number and what is the length. And next we will start with the begin section. You need to take like this f underscore var means first value, first variable. This is the assignment operator in PLSQL. It will be like this: colon, sorry, colon and equal to. This is assignment operator in PLSQL. Now, so for this first variable, I have assigned a value called 100, means employee number. You can consider this one as an employee number. And the second variable I have given as a LX, means what is this one? Employee name. The second variable I given as a varchar2 up to length 20, that I have given here LX. It's a name, any name. The third variable is department, in which department he is working, means software department. Next, the fourth variable, how much salary he is drawing, 50,000 is the salary. So here I have declared the variables and now I have initialized the variables. Initialization means giving an value to that particular variable. Employee number is 100, employee name is Alex, and which department is working in software industry or software department, and salary is this much. And now fine, till here it's fine. But what is this? See, in PLSQL, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line is, this statement will return the value to the front end application. This is called front end application. In this front end application, if you want to see any output values, then you need to give this one, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and in you have to open the brackets, and in this brackets you need to call that particular variable. Here already we have given, right? So first variable, so I am declaring I'm giving the variable here, first variable. Second statement, second variable. Third statement, third and fourth variable. This is how I have given the variables. And now the last section, that is end section. Now you just run this one. Okay, so it is saying that PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Good. And now it is showing that 100 LX software, and this is the salary. So this is shown from the front, I mean, this is shown to the front end application. How it is shown means, due to this one, if you highlight this portion, then this will not be shown to you. Means, for example, let us see like that also. This is the highlighting in PLSQL. If I give hyphens here, means the code will be highlighted, means this will not comes under the executable section. This will be skipped from the executable section. Now I will clear this one and I will run it again. You see, the only PLSQL procedure is successfully completed, but you are not seeing the variables because we have initialized, means we have declared the variables and we have initialized the variables, but we are not giving this underscore put underscore line, because you if you highlight this one, means you cannot see the variables. For example, if I remove the highlightation and I'll run it again, you see here 100, which means this one first varchar, what is that one, 100, it is it is shown here, and it is showing that PLSQL procedure is successfully completed. This is how you are declaring the variable in PLSQL, and also you are initializing the PLSQL variables, and this is how you are returning to the front end application PLSQL variables. Okay, now we will see another most important declaration type in PLSQL, that is called percentile type. Remember guys, this percentile type is most important in real time. If you are working on PLSQL, this is the most important, because see here, first value we have assigned number, second value we have assigned varchar, but sometimes you need to get this variables, means you need to declare the variables, you need to initialize the variables which you uh, uh, don't understand, or if you don't know what data type it is. And also sometimes we need to bring the variables from different packages, from different procedures, to this particular block of code. In that scenario, you don't know what data type it is. In that scenario, this will be helpful. Percentile type, this is, again I am repeating, this percentile type is most important. For example, here also I am assigning a value called first variable and second variable. We have employees table. Let's see this one. See, the employee ID is there, that is number. First name is there, that is varchar 2. Last name varchar 2. So like this, we have the data types. Now, what I'm doing, I don't know. For example, now I have shown you, means I know this employee table, and I'm just showing you for an example. But in real time scenario, if I don't know what is that one means, you can simply initialize or declare variables like this. First var means the name of the variable, and then employees means this one table, employees dot employee id, and I don't know what is that one. Here I know a number, but in real time if you don't know, means simply you can give the variable type like percentile type in place of number varchar, like this you can initialize to percentile type. Now, second variable, employee number, first name. This is varchar 2. See here, for number I have given percentile type, and also for varchar 2 also I have given the percentile type. Means for number and for varchar we are giving the same one. If I give the above one below and below one above, means first number. For number, if I am giving string means it will throw the error, but in if you initialize or if you declare the variable like this means it will not throw any error, it will be run successfully. So this is percentile type. Now I am initializing the variable for first variable is 100, second variable is Alex. Means you need to understand that we don't know the data. If you don't know the data type, you need to initialize like this. In PLSQL, a real time, 90% of the code will be written through the percentile type only. Next, the remaining is same. In the begin section, we have initialized the variables. First were to 100 and second were to Alex. Means employee, sorry, employee ID and also employee number. Now dbms output we are giving to the front end, and we are giving the variable here first and second variable, and we are running. You see here, I'll run it again. I'll clear this one and I'll run it again. You see here 100 and LX. Here PLSQL procedure successfully completed, which means this is the second type of declaring a variable. First one is number varchar, what data type it is, you need to declare, or you need to give that particular data type. Here percentile type we are giving it. Okay, and we have another data types also. Row type is there, percentile row type is there, that we will discuss in the next chapter. Thank you very much. Subscribe to AI Coding Cats.